little bag with such big treasures. Hello, I'm Sarah Jessica Parker, and I'm the founder of SJP Beauty. And today I'm very excited and looking forward to answering some questions from the bag. Okay, first question, I hope I'm able to answer. Imagine SJP Lovely You is an outfit. Show us what shoes you'd wear with it. Okay, so there are some colors in it that, not that I think any rules apply, but there are some like metallics and some sort of salmon-y, sort of abalone shell pink. So it just so happens that I'm wearing a shoe, I can do this gracefully, SJP Collection Tarte. So the shoes would be these, and they sparkle, and they're sort of a neutral. They can be anything to anyone. They're the gift that keeps on giving. But as you also know, the beauty of SJP Lovely You is that all that matters is what you would wear with it. Next question. Okay, you've had so many iconic beauty moments. What's one of your favorites and what made it lovely? Okay, so first Lovely campaign we did countless years ago, over a decade. It's one of my favorite memories for sentimental reasons because of the people involved, and it was my first fragrance, and it has come to mean so much in people's lives. But also that I was able to work with such talented people who became my friends and close friends and people that are family to me now. And that fragrance has birthed so many other fragrances, including Lovely You. So it's a real treat and a privilege, and that's definitely a moment creatively that is important to me. Next question from In the Bag. Oh boy, 2020 has been hard for so many reasons. What's one thing that makes you hopeful and thankful this year? Oh my goodness. I guess what makes me hopeful is that so many people are reaching out to neighbors and connecting with each other. So many people have been so thoughtful about taking care of people, and that there are so many exciting new voices that are helping tell really important stories that had thus far not been a part of conversation. So there is much to feel hopeful about, and there is much to grieve, but I'm clinging to optimism and hope. Okay, next question. Reach into your glam bag, grab your Lovely You, and tell us your favorite thing about it, and show us how you apply it. I'm gonna go to the big guy. So I guess what my favorite thing about it is that when we talked about creating the next fragrance, what became very clear to all of us was how much we wanted you to be a part of it. I guess what we meant by that is that we wanted it not to be for one person or one type of person or one age or one shape or one anything that. And so what I guess my favorite thing is that this has been about you, and we've created it with you in mind, and that we are waiting for you to define what it is. You know, whether you layer it, whether it's something that's special occasion, whether it's something that you use the way I do, which is far too much and too often. Here's the way I use fragrance, and I'm not proud of this, but it's just kind of the way I do it. Oh, this bottle is so pretty. If you can see it in the light, it's a really pretty bottle. I'm overindulgent, so I'm like this. My entire closet's full of fragrance. I mean, I'm everywhere. I'm here, I'm there, like that. That's how I do it. Too much, too often. Can't help myself, one of my fatal flaws. Okay, I think this might be the last question. They say scents evoke memories. What's the inspiration behind Lovely You? What inspired us was a whole new generation of young women, and what they're like and what they're saying and the stories they're telling and how they're living their lives, and we felt that they were deserving of their generation's lovely. Thanks for watching this episode of In the Bag. It's been a real treat to be included. To have SJP Lovely included in the bag has been a real privilege. So thank you all so much. Be safe, be good to each other, and maybe you guys will invite me back. Who knows?